Andrew, are you scared?
No.
What's up, guys? I forgot to do my intro earlier today, but that's all good. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, to Truly Sharice. If you're watching this, I hope you have fun watching this because it was actually really pretty. Anyway, we're gonna be riding on the boat for the first time. So I hope you guys like it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Andrew.
Huh?
Why are you looking like that?
What?
Got something on you.
What?
I got it on.
Floating or swimming? It looks like it's swimming.
That's
Because the water is floating this way.
it's a geese.
Up there, it goes on the bank. It was probably a beaver.
Oh, there's something right here. It was a turtle.
One other turtle?
Yeah, it was a turtle.
That was a big turtle. I mean, that was a real turtle.
Day in the life of the Stanley family with Truly Sharice. Oh yes. Oh yes.
I'm gonna do it for you.
Can't run my way.
This is a no editing video, Ryan.
I sure had trouble getting
My lip dry.
Lip crusty. Oh, it's beautiful. Frida. Andrew, what you have to say about this? Are you having fun?
Yep.
You wish Robert was here?
No, he's good.
I wish Robert was here. He'd have a lot of fun. This is fun. It's pretty. Wee, wee, wee. Andrew, having fun? Guys. Brady. Frida. Andrew.
I put on a few pounds.
I did. I took a picture in front of the sign that said no swimming.
Yeah.
They're raising them.
We're catching up. Man, he stopped. Let me see
I'm
your
good.
5
I'm good.
video.
Just I need to-
What did we do?
There's no break. It's just a matter. You
Yeah, Andrew,
Bro,
hold
but-
on.
Ah!
Hold on, Mariah's driving.
can let the thing go under there, and you can just slowly push it forward.
I need 2 of them.
Go ahead. Come. Yeah, there you go.
Pull over for it.
Exactly how Anna drives.
No, it is not. I drive the
Man, this
Steven.
how I drive a car. Hell.
Y'all better be careful. We're finna start tilting.
Don't go too close to the edge. Come to the water and go. Your fish finder will so that fish finder tells you how deep the water is. But when you go in fast, it can't register.
I don't know if it's just my white person sense, but I just want to touch it.
What?
I don't know if it's my white person sense, but I just want to touch it.
He said he don't know if this is his white person. Right, Mariah, how's it feel to be driving?
Andrew. No, we're not goners. We're slowly goners.
Not so fast. Not so fast.
Andrew's gonna go.
Let's go that way. Let's go that way. There you go.
Wait, don't turn it so hard.
Go ahead. You give it more gas.
Come on, we
Just a little bit, Andrew.
It'll hold itself.
Oh God.
Wherever you push it
The
down.
lady has his hands on the wheel.
I think I'm gonna throw up. I literally got the side of him. Andrew. I got the side of
He's
you.
just leaving
You're
it
so
like that.
big.
Yeah, you can do that. It'll stay.
You wanna go faster?
A little slower.
Keep your hand on the wheel. If you know, at least one hand, you gotta speed.
If you're gonna speed up, we're not speeding up.
What's the depth?
No, Andrew,
It's
wait.
a little rough start. You're supposed to start out slow. And the reason is that behind that
He said,
you can go ahead, give it a little more.
Andrew, don't turn the wheel like you drive in a car.
I was an 8, so he did that.
Go ahead, push it on. Push it on, go straight. Alright, use 2 hands now. There you go. Okay?
I'm just scared because he's driving.
Fred, are you scared?
No, it's actually out of
water. Quit looking at them. It's so pretty when the sun come out. It's so pretty.
Look at that big head.
If he's still driving, he's doing all right over there. He got up.
Fell off. Justin.
Idiot.
You said Jostin.
Take that off.
Justin. Look at that.
Where's what at?
The line.
Now for real though, it was fun on the boats. It was kind of scary when Andrew started driving because he kept pushing the gas real hard. But other than that, it was fun. That was the first time I was on a boat, and it was fun. I liked it. But like, whenever we was going fast, like I was sitting in the front, so whenever we was going fast, like the wind would be hitting my eyes, and then it'd just be tears just rolling down my face because of the wind hitting my eyes. But it was fun. I liked it. But yeah, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments what else y'all would like to see so I can make sure I get that video for y'all. Yeah.